The TCL TAB Disney Edition is the latest kids-focused tablet from TCL. The Disney Edition of the TCL TAB is an affordable, feature-rich, and catchy tablet for kids. It is basically the same as the TCL TAB, but has some Disney-themed features including a protective case. The TCL TAB Disney Edition comes with a decent specs list, including an 8-inch Full HD screen with DragonTrail glass and a rubber case. The TCL TAB Disney Edition is well protected against scratches and folds. Its RAM or internal storage configuration is 3 and 32 gigs. However, the storage is expandable up to 256 gigs via its microSD slot. For photography, the tablet has an 8-megapixel main camera and a 5-megapixel front camera which can be used for video calls. The new TCL Kids tablet supports 4G LTE connectivity and has a kickstand accessory when needed. Under the hood is a 5500 mAh battery that delivers up to 17 hours of activity on a single charge. The tablet costs under $200 and has a sprinkle of Disney characters on it. The TCL TAB Disney Edition comes with preloaded Disney-themed content. Games, puzzles, and wallpapers are some of the Disney-themed content that comes with the tablet. There are 5 preloaded games featuring Disney characters in the TCL TAB Disney Edition. The TCL TAB Disney Edition is exclusively available from Verizon for now. It is unclear whether TCL has plans to expand the availability of the device to other outlets. What can you say about the new tablet for children? Will they like it? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.